Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick crochet braid. So I already went ahead and detangled my hair off camera as you can see right here. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do the braid pattern. So for the crochet braid, I want to be able to put it into a high puff into two split buns. So that's the braid pattern I'm doing right here. And also I'm going to be making two side parts and a middle part. So side part on each side of my head and the middle part would make it three parts for this crochet braid. So went ahead and did that off camera, finish up the braid pattern off camera. So here you go. Okay, so moving on to the hair, I'm going to be using this Kinky Mali braiding hair. I bought 4 packs for this hairstyle. So here is the hair, and the link to this hair is in the description box down below, so be sure to check the description box. So to start, I'm going to be cutting this each pack into two. So right here, I'm going ahead to cut it in half. So around the perimeter, I'm going to be using the knotless braid method. So like I said, I want to be able to put this hair into a high puff. I want to do so many styles with it. And so doing the knotless braid around the perimeter of the braids will help me to achieve the styles I have in mind. Okay, so to start right here, I'm going ahead to take a little bit out of the hair, gently separating it. Okay, so next, I'm taking my crochet hook. So right here, you need to take your crochet hook, pass it through the braid, through the roots of the braid. Okay, just push it all the way through. So next, hook the hair using the crochet hook, making sure to hold the hairs on your hand firm. Nice, close the large hook and pull it through the braid, just like that. Hold the loop open. You can also do this with your crochet hook, but today I just feel like using my fingers. So right here, pass your fingers through the loop. So now you want to go ahead and grab one end of the hair, pass it through the loop. Again, grab it and pass it through the loop the second time, and next pull it all the way to secure it in place, just like that. So that's how you do the knotless braid method. So here is the side. As you can see right here, it looks as if the hair is growing out of my scalp. So this is what I am going for. So I'm also going to be using the knotless braid method on the side part and the middle part. So I have a right, center, and left part right there. So for the back or the rest of the braids, I'm going to be using the regular crochet method, and also I'm doing the double knot method. So I just pass the crochet hook through the braid. So right here, I'm gonna pass my fingers through the loop. So using your fingers or the crochet hook, hook the hair, pass it through the loop, again hook the hair and pass it through the loop the second time. Next, pull on it to secure it in place. So if you're using your fingers, you just want to pass your fingers through the loop, grab the hair, pass it through the loop, again grab the hair and pass it through the loop the second time. Next, pull on it to secure the knot in place. So right, again I'm using the double knot method. And also, when working on the back of the crochet braid, you want to make sure to space it out. Okay, space it out so that way the next one you crochet on top will fall between the space on the bottom. So this will help to give it that fuller looking crochet braid without having to use too much hair. So I went ahead and repeat the same thing on the back. So right now I'm working on the side part, doing the knotless braid method. Again, for the knotless braid method, you only want to pull one end of the strands through the loop. So you can see right here, passing the crochet hook through my braid. So next I'm going to hook the hair. So again, once you pass the hair through the braid, as you can see right here, open up the loop just like this. So next, pass your fingers through the loop just like this. So next, grab one end of the hair, pass it through, again grab it and pass it through the second time and pull it all the way through. As you can see right here, make sure to pull on it to secure it in place. So here is how the middle part is looking. So you can see right there, look as if it's coming out of my scalp. So this is the knotless braid method. So for the front of the crochet braid, as you can see on this side, it looks as if it's growing out of my scalp. The trick here is to, okay, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna work on this spot right here. So to get that natural looking hairline on the front, I'm going in to pull out some strands from the front, as you can see right here, pulling some strands from the front of the crochet braid. So next I'm going to take my scissors and trim the strands I pull out. You can see, grabbing the scissors and I'm trimming it, just cutting it short. So for the next step, I'm going to be again pulling out, just fluffing out the front of the crochet braid, pulling it towards the front, making it fluffy to give it that natural look to it. And it blends well with my natural hair. Perfect. So this is how you achieve the natural looking hairline on the crochet braid. Look at that. Flawless. Look at that. It looks like my hair. You guys seeing this? Look at that. The magic of it all. So right here, I'm going ahead to do a little bit of trimming. Okay guys, so this is the final result right here. Is how the front is looking. I did a little afro, beautiful, and here is the side part, beautiful. All right, guys, so this is the final result right here. As always, if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Whew, okay, so I don't think this is gonna work out. It's super cold out, and the lighting inside is not that bright, and then and I don't have my filming lights with me, so I try to do this outside. It is freezing cold. I'm telling you, my hands are super cold. Plus, here is the reason why it's so cold. We still have a little bit of snow. It's really cold, so I'm gonna have to move back inside because I don't think I can do this. It's way too cold. So yeah, this is not working. I'm just gonna go in there and try to see, film it inside, work with the light I have, and try to add more light to the video as I edit the video. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's too cold. It's too cold to be outside right now. I'm trying to add brave, but I can't. I need to go back inside. Yeah.